Good morning. This is Greg once again at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. Very little impacts today. It's going to be continued cool today, probably the coldest temperature for the next several days, even a couple weeks. Key points, again, continued cool, highs in the 60s to lower 70s. Will be a few isolated showers in the eastern mountains, but not very widespread. We're going to have a warming trend beginning tomorrow through the end of the week into the weekend. There will be some isolated storms, possibly Thursday and Friday again will be very isolated, mainly eastern mountains, Lost River area. Highs will be back into the 70s and 80s by Friday and all the way through the weekend. It will probably be around 90 degrees by Sunday in lower elevations. So this cool weather trend will be very short-lived. Generally, mostly clear skies across the state of Idaho, other than a bit of cloud cover across the upper Snake River Plain, eastern mountains. And again, we'll have patchy clouds most of the day. Looking at the northern Pacific satellite loop, again, you can see the generally northerly flow with the movement of these upper level clouds. So again, the cool northwest flow will continue through tomorrow. Then we'll start to shift to a more zonal, and then southwesterly flow as an upper ridge builds in. Weather risk outlook, again, chance of showers in the eastern highlands, very, very isolated at best. Mostly it will be dry all day today and Wednesday. Again, some chance of some showers and storms once again Thursday and Friday, mainly again eastern mountains and the Lost River area. But again, probably isolated at best. High temperatures today, again, very cool. Generally 50s and 60s in the mountains, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Snake River Plain. So this will be the coolest day for quite a while. And here's the severe weather outlook. Again, just some general thunderstorms in the eastern border along Wyoming. Pretty much little to no chance elsewhere. Wind gusts today, not significant. Again, the strongest out towards Burley, eastern Magic Valley, some 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts. Generally 10 to 15 to 20 most other areas. Low temperatures tonight, very cool once again, 20s and 30s mountains, upper 30s to lower 40s across the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley. And we're starting to see some warm up tomorrow, highs back into the lower to mid 70s in the Snake River Plain, upper 50s to upper 60s across the mountains. Winds will be even lighter tomorrow. Wind gusts not much more than 10 to 15 miles per hour everywhere across southeastern Idaho. Low temperatures tomorrow night a bit warmer than tonight. Generally 30s mountains, 40s to around 50 across the valleys. Then by Thursday, we're getting back into the mid to upper 70s, close to 80 as you get west of the Magic Valley, and generally 60s to lower 70s across the mountain areas. And just looking into Sunday, you can see how much warmer we're going to be back into the upper 80s to around 90 across the valleys, mid 70s to mid 80s in the mountains. So we're going to get pretty hot again by the time we get to the end of the weekend. And the 8 to 14 day outlook, pretty good chances, 60% or greater of above normal temperatures continuing across southeast Idaho, and equal chances of precipitation above or below or near normal. So summarizing, continued cool today. Again, generally 60s for highs. Some lower elevations might hit the lower 70s. Very isolated showers along the Wyoming border, very late this afternoon, early tonight. Then we begin a warming trend tomorrow, and that will continue through the weekend. There's some isolated storms are possible Thursday and Friday, again, mainly eastern mountains. And we're going to have highs back into the 80s to around 90 by Sunday. So that will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, visit our website, call us at the number listed below 24 hours a day, or visit us on social media. Thank you. Everyone have a nice day today.